This is a used 2014 Toyota Corolla. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, and a continuously variable transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, heated steering wheel, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Harper Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 4800 Highway 101 North, Eureka, California 95503.